Can't wait to share this with you. This AI hack turned stress into a six-figure win. For years, creating webinar slide decks felt like torture, hours of formatting, rewriting, and staring at a blank screen. It always took a full workday at least 8 hours. So sometimes even more. But then I tried one AI tool. In just 1 hour, I had a polished, ready to use deck for my client. I couldn't believe it. And here's the wild part. Using this shortcut helped my client pull in 402,000 in 1 month. Not theory, not hype, real results. So if you're ready to save hours and finally see how artificial intelligence can actually grow revenue, you'll want to continue watching as I share with you one, the sexy AI tool, you won't believe what it can do that saved me 7 hours. Number two, the one messaging copywriting change I made to my client's webinar that I truly believe also made all the difference. And number three, if you comment five below, I will share the entire slide deck I'm about to present with you so that you can download and view it at your own leisure. So now let's jump into my ta-da, we're in my screen right now. All right, so I just want to reiterate how this AI tool will save you, showing a pretty graphic that I made in ChatGPT image creator. 8 hours without Gamma, 1 hour with Gamma. This is absolutely so powerful. And so as you can tell, the AI tool, I gave it away in that prior slide, is gamma.app. App. You use AI to build presentations in minutes and add to your digital offer. So let me explain. So I'm in gamma.app create. So this is like as if you're using it for the first time. You'll see these three things here. Paste in the text. You can create from notes and outline or existing content. You can generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds your entire presentation and slide deck. And you can import your file or URL, which is really powerful. Imagine even any old digital offers or courses you have collecting digital dust, you can kind of 2025 and 2026 AIify them right away, or you can generate from AI your digital offer. And in this case, I'm going to come back to how I help my client make a lot of money in 1 month. And the main tool I used to redo his entire webinar pitch deck or slide deck was this Gamma. This was in January 2025. So it shows you how long I've been using this. I'm recording this now in September. But basically, I'm just going to put in this prompt here just so you can see how fast it works. Hey, do a 10 card or 10 slide deck. You can see 10 cards here, presentation. And I said, create a training on how to create a winning in-demand digital offer with AI, because more than likely you're watching my channel because you're interested in making money through digital offers or affiliate marketing with digital offers, or maybe you're a coach and want to make more money by getting out of the one-to-one grind into more many-to-one with digital offers and group coaching. All right, so here we go. It's creating the outline for me. Do you see how powerful this is? Let me kind of make this even bigger. So it's created this outline, create a winning in-demand digital offer of AI. Now I could add my own HI, human intelligence, right? But it kind of gave me a quick overview, 10 steps here before I make it into the presentation. Now, here's where this gets sexy, and literally within one click or a snap of my fingers, you can present the entire presentations through minimal or concise, detailed, or extensive. So minimal text means short sentences communicating mainly with visuals, not words. Concise means brief paragraphs striking a balance between visuals and words. So depending which way you want to go, sometimes I like concise, sometimes I like minimal. I rarely do detailed or extensive because FYI, if you're doing webinars, you should never have that much text on a slide as well. If you want to make more sales, don't put too much text on your slide. You can choose all these brand guidelines or templates or themes. You can make your own theme, as this one is. But this one, I'll just choose the standard theme, Zephyr, which actually I do use a lot, quite like. Image source, you can tell it AI images, automatic. You can bring in stock photos, web images, AI images. So I'm just going to keep it as AI images. AI image model, just auto select. I'm not going to, wait for some of these other things right now. I'm just going to let it select the best AI tool. And image art, it can be photorealistic, illustration, abstract, 3D, line art, whatever. So usually, honestly, I do between illustration and photorealistic. So yeah, I'll just keep it as photorealistic for now, but you can have fun and click line art as well. And then you can add extra keywords if you want, like I could say colorful or something, or your colors. But I'm just going to hit generate so you can see how it works. So as I'm talking right now, I'm going to show you it's generating. And it says, do not close this tab while generation is in progress. So how cool is that? It's actually putting it in. Now I can ask it to verify. I can use AI to verify those stats, because sometimes you want to make sure it doesn't hallucinate on the stats. So you can kind of invoke the AI agent to double check the stats for you as well. So it's going in. Wait till you see the images it's going to create. Look how fast this is. Like, come on now. I don't know, even just 2 years ago, we couldn't do this, right? It's amazing the pace of artificial intelligence and what's happening. And the beautiful thing is okay, now it created it. The beautiful thing is that each slide I can now use HI, human intelligence, to edit it. So let's go to the very beginning to see what we got. Okay. Create a winning offer, an in-demand digital offer of AI. So I would, if I were teaching this, especially if this was a webinar, I'd say how to create a winning offer, right? And I might add some specificity, like, show screenshot maybe instead of this Genesis AI, and show like, $28,000 made in the last 2.5 weeks in my digital product business as an example. And that's probably gonna be my next video, by the way, because that is the money that's just come in. So, and I'm just gonna scroll through, and it just talks about the stats, and step one, identify market needs of AI insights. I'll keep scrolling down. Craft your offer using AI-powered content creation. Design engaging user experience with AI tools. I can change anything here. Like if I don't like this image, I can come in here, edit image, or I could ask AI to, I could ask it to do something else with this image, like even change background color if I wanted to, etc. So I mean, it's just powerful. So I'm gonna get out of this is the agent beta here where you can do certain things, and it's editing the image right now. You can see as I'm talking, it's editing the image. But I'm just going to scroll down and show you the rest of the presentation that is super duper professional. So yeah, it changed the background. See that? Now it's like a more orangey background, which is kind of cool. And so there you have it. You have a whole presentation done. You just have to now edit it. It looks amazing. You could put in your own images if you want. And there you have it. It's powerful. So basically, I promised you three things though in this video. Like, how the heck did my client make $402,000 in 1 month? I know it sounds like a crazy dollar amount, but first, I just want to let you know again, it's all about, if you're following my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit comment 5 below so you can get this exact slide deck presentation. But essentially, the 8-hour slide grind is dead because we have this fabulous tool called gamma.app. And the old way is 8 grueling hours per deck. The new way, 1 focused hour, then it's done. I just showed you something in 5 minutes or less, and literally it will probably take me maybe only 20 minutes or less of editing or adding my own things. And there we have it. It's essentially done. So I want you to think about the real cost of your slide addiction or webinar deck presentation addiction. If it costs on average your time, say 8 hours, and let's say your time is worth $100 an hour, that's $800 per slide deck or presentation. So if I'm doing a course, and I often teach in a digital course to have like 3 different modules in it that you're teaching, 3 times 8, because you then need 3 slide decks, 3 times 8 is a lot of money. So you don't want to, that's 2,400. You don't want to invest 2,400 of your time, do you? Let's just use a simple AI tool like this Gamma app. And also if I were to do that monthly, like say you're making 5 decks a month, that's $4,000, and your annual drain $48,000. I always like to show you kind of what the true cost of something is if you don't do something, because that's just as important as, hey, here's how much you can make with digital marketing. I also want you to analyze where your time is going so that you have the harmony in your life between making money online in your business and also your things you want to do in life, spend time with family and friends and all that jazz. So what 7 extra hours per week looks like, you'll have more time for strategic thinking. You'll have more time for creative breakthroughs because you can channel energy into cash digital offer campaigns rather than slide template hunting. And you'll have increased sales. And by the way, this pretty slide deck I'm presenting you right now is made in Gamma as well. And it's even did this in AI for me. I didn't tell it to do this. It did before Gamma and after Gamma. So weekend slide marathons, endless revision cycles, and after Gamma, 1 hour slide deck presentation creation. You look like a rock star and AI powered perfection. Okay. So now I promised you earlier on in this video that there was 3 things I wanted to share with you. And it wasn't just using Gamma app, even though that was my kind of sexy hook that got you here to watch the video. It wasn't just Gamma, obviously, that helped my client make 402,000. There were some other changes that I did with his webinar while he hired me and paid me the big bucks to help him increase his conversions of his offer that he was doing via webinar, selling it, is I fixed his messaging. So when I say number 2, messaging, specifically, I leverage testimonials to be the rock star of the webinar. If you've already got testimonials for whatever it is you're selling, leverage them. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting someone else's product, leverage those testimonials, right? And also the other thing that was missing is a common theme throughout the webinar. So he was missing a big idea. So call it what you will, but basically you want the person who's watching or even reading your sales page or watching your sales presentation to remember something, right? And so in his situation, we then kind of re-message everything. When you buy his offer, you will have an unfair advantage. So, and that worked really well. And we carried that through also through the email marketing as well. So in short, stop being an AI tool skeptic. All right. So you used AI tool Gamma app, AI saves time and can help your human creativity. Number two, messaging copywriting of no theme to a theme of unfair advantage. So meaning this is what I helped him with, and I want you to think about that for you for your own digital offers. Does that make sense? And competitive advantage of testimonials. So showcasing them as one-page case studies in the webinar really helped. Think about for yourself where you're under leveraging testimonials. And I bet you are. I bet you $100 you are. So think about how you can start leveraging them or asking for them if you don't have them yet. Okay. So if you're ready, play with Gamma AI, use it for your sales presentations, use it for your training delivery of your digital courses. And before I go, I can't say enough about a case study that you should watch that's here on my YouTube channel. And it's how two gals through their digital courses and a little dash of my coaching made, are you ready for this? $1 million in 10 months. And it's an entire case study and they break down how they did it. And I think you'll enjoy it. So it'll be on the link below in the description and it should be showing up right now as what's called an end card here on my YouTube channel. All right. Love and light. Have a great, fantastic day.